Welcome to the VeSys Test Drive. This is a 40-minute tour of the principal features of VeSys design and VeSys harness. The test drive is divided into 4 sections: wiring design and analysis, harness engineering, restructure the wiring design, and harness detailing. The test drive shows a detailed step-by-step process, and in 1 or 2 places, we accelerate the graphics where a particular task has already been shown at normal speed. Our objective for this test drive is to create a harness diagram for the driver's side door of a 2-door vehicle. The green connector on the left is the plug side connector of an inline connector pair through which signals enter and exit the driver door. The other 4 connectors mate to 4 switches assembled in the driver's door armrest. The yellow connector in the middle connects to a courtesy lamp switch. The 2 blue connectors are for door lock switches. The upper one is for the driver's door lock switch, and the lower one is for a switch by which the driver can operate the passenger door lock. The bottom right yellow connector hooks up to a lockout switch that the driver can use to disable the passenger from operating the passenger door lock. For this test drive, we will not be concerned with the passenger door harness, but only with the driver's door harness. Let's begin by opening the sample project supplied with VeSys. We first open the wiring design to get an overview of the main parts of the VeSys design window. The project browser area on the left lists all of the wiring designs and the harness designs belonging to the project. The bottom left window is the design browser that displays a tree list of all the objects that you can place in the diagram window. For example, we see that this design has devices, splices, and some conductors. From the Symbols tab, we can select predefined symbols and place them in the diagram area to the right, where the devices can then be connected by wires and splices. Below the diagram window is the message area. More about this a little later. The diagram may be zoomed or panned using the toolbar buttons. Or, alternatively, you can use the horizontal and vertical scroll bars. Or, use the mouse wheel to zoom in and out. You can use Zoom Area to focus in on an object or an area, and you can use Zoom All to view the entire diagram. Another way the diagram area can be manipulated is by using mouse strokes. Click and drag the middle mouse button from a top left position to a bottom right position over an area of interest and then release. To zoom all, press and drag from lower right to upper left. To zoom out by 1 step, press and drag the middle mouse button from lower left to upper right, then release. Or go in the reverse direction to zoom in by 1 step. Another zoom function is the spring return to original view. Let's say our attention is on the switch at the bottom left, and we want to read some of the text on the large rectangular area in the right-handed area of the diagram. We press the Control key and zoom and pan as necessary to move to that area. When we have finished, we simply release the Control key and we are back to the original view.